Animal husbandry produces about half of our dietary protein intake and is responsible for considerable losses in the food supply chain. Despite representing a major economic activity, the amounts of waste produced seriously burden our environment if not properly managed. Manure is a largely unexploited resource, mainly because it is economically not feasible to transport it from regions with a nutrient excess to those with a shortage. As a consequence, the European agriculture depends heavily on the import of fresh nutrients. The ManureEcoMine project aims to wisely use the resources present in manure while minimizing the emissions to the environment. The flagship of ManureEcoMine is a high-tech installation recovering green fertilizers from different types of manure. 2 engineering companies provided their top-notch technical know-how for this.
Within the ManureEcoMine project, we are responsible for the design and construction of the pilot plant, and we also operate the pilot plant at Van Alphen Biogas in the Netherlands. What we really like about the project itself is that we work closely with partners from different sectors, not only technology but also from economy, and this creates a steep learning curve for us and for the rest of the partners.
Our engineering company provides turnkey projects for wastewater treatment and reuse and waste-to-energy projects. We will be able to demonstrate that a global solution can be applied to reduce the environmental impact of the intensive husbandry and pig production in Europe and in our region.
The ManureEcoMine perspective is mainly based on eco-innovative technologies, cleverly structured to efficiently manage all resources present in the manure while protecting the environment. 4 experienced research groups bundled their expertise to complete this puzzle.
Our main mission in the ManureEcoMine project is to optimize the anaerobic digestion processes, mainly to maximize the energy recovery and the release of nutrients from the wastes. We also focus on the environmental assessment of the whole process by applying life cycle assessment.
I believe that stripping is an excellent process for the recovery of the nitrogen, to get it out as a valuable fertilizer product, but it also has a beneficial impact on the microbiological process within the anaerobic digestion. I believe that in combination with all the different other process steps, it's an excellent approach to valorize manure.
Our role within ManureEcoMine is the optimization of the biological nitrogen removal, aiming to minimize the energy consumption and the emission of greenhouse gases and acidifying gases. ManureEcoMine gives us the opportunity to prove such an innovative technology as partial nitritation anammox in a very important domain, as it's the treatment of manure or livestock waste.
The Lechia group is involved in the nutrient recovery from manure by struvite precipitation or recovery. According to the conception of the technologies of the process of the project, we can recover either ammonium or potassium struvite or both, depending on the demand of the end fertilizer producer and the value of this product on the market.
Farmers are targeted as the future end users of the ManureEcoMine concept. Therefore, they are directly involved in the operation of the pilot-scale installation to demonstrate its technical and economic applicability.
I am Francesc Baucells from Balsa. The company rather have farms and technical service to the farmers. We also expect to help to solve the management of the manure and also give an economic value to these effluents.
Researchers at Ghent University calculated that the fertilizer value of European manure is about 11 billion euros per year. The ManureEcoMine solution is to recover different types of concentrated green fertilizers, which can be blended in the optimal ratio and safely reused for the production of high-value crops. Through the pilot-scale installation, ManureEcoMine enables you to install a novel value chain. As quality and safety of the recovered fertilizer products are paramount, extensive verification and optimization tests are performed to guarantee this.
The objective of our work package is to test the flexibility of blending of different recovered nutrients in a desired NPK ratio into different kind of growing media with a low impact on the environment. That the whole chain is controlled, starting from the manure from the pigs and also from the cows, resulting in a fertilizer that can be blended into a growing media, resulting in a new growing media.
We are evaluating and testing the different fertilizer blends with regard to the fertilizing potential and with regard to the plant availability of the nutrients. We have the great opportunity to work in a group of fantastic researchers from different countries on a very important and also highly interesting topic to turn manure into gold finally. If this could work, we would all be very happy.
The LVA is responsible for the analysis of trace contaminants, means pesticides, mycotoxins, but also some new analytes like heavy metals and veterinary drugs. For the LVA, it's very interesting, very challenging to work on new analytes, new methods, new matrices.
The ambition of the European community is to stimulate the development of novel solutions for the nutrient challenge in agriculture. With this support, the ManureEcoMine project is able to propose a sustainable answer that can be commercially appealing for all stakeholders.
ManureEcoMine is all about creating a synergy through collaboration. We have 5 research institutions that develop cutting-edge scientific new results, and we have 6 industrial partners that bring these results into practice. All together, we create a new value chain. Through ManureEcoMine, we are proud that we can contribute to rendering the food supply chain in Europe more sustainable, through bringing value to the farmers and through creating resource autonomy for Europe.